Hi, my name's Tim Jarnigan with the Malish Corporation. I'm our Director of National Accounts, and I'd like to highlight one of our newest designs called the Flex Scrub. The idea behind the Flex Scrub is to take a traditional floor pad that is often full of debris and dirt and bacteria in its normal everyday usage and replace it with our Flex Scrub bristled pad. As you can see, traditional floor pads get gummed up, dirty, and are often needing to be replaced and flipped over and rotated. Some are very, very thin, so much so you can kind of see through. As this pad is not maintained properly, its ability to clean the floor is compromised quite a bit. If I take that off and put on our Flex Scrub red bristled pad that is specifically designed to replace that red pad on both the scrubber, size left and size right, we have the ability to now apply the Flex Scrub bristled pad to the floor that is equivalent to 50 red pads and its ability to be self-cleaning. So now these two bristled pads will go on this machine and will last as much as 50 pads. My name's Tim Jarnigan, and I thank you for your time.